This is my video response to Rubik's Cube solved with iPod Touch. This guy's time is 1:02, and I'm not really sure, but I think that he's saying that this is the only video with an iPod Touch solved, like with a cube. So I have here with my iPod Touch and my Rubik's Cube scrambled up. And for those of you that think it's an unlegit scramble, Rubik's.dk, the scramble is right there. That's what I use to scramble it. Okay. Just need to get to the clock. Okay, stopwatch at 0. Hold on. .4. It is solved. Definitely beat his time of 1:02. There it is.